Okay, today we're going to replace the wheel cylinder or speed sensor, whatever you want to call it, on this 2015 Ford Escape. That's got 167,000 miles on it. Okay, the wheel sensor's right there. Take my glasses off so I can see better. All right. Unclip it. That was easy. All you got to do is squeeze this little tab right here. Now, gonna need a flashlight. All right. I got one right here. See the screw or the bolt or whatever you want to call it? Let's go get a tool to remove that. Okay, I got the screw on. Now I just gotta wiggle the sensor on. The easy part is done. I don't want to break anything. Try these just to wiggle it. Is in there. Let me see. Maybe if I take a screwdriver and just pry around the edges there. Okay, I got a screwdriver. Let's my grandpa's hammer. Hooray, I got it all in one piece. Awesome. Holy cow. You want to see down there? There it is. I'll wipe out that whole area, get a new sensor. Nice. I was hoping I didn't break this part off. Then you're saying a few choice words. All right, I got the new part. Got it at AutoZone, 20 bucks. It's called the ABS wheel speed sensor. There it is. Part number for 2015 two-wheel drive. Even got it in a nice little Ziploc bag. All right, I know it's going to go in a lot easier than it came out. I don't want to jinx myself. All right, let's put it in. Okay, so far so good. Now, I gotta put the screw. Just so. Okay, so far so good. Tightening it up. Nice and tight. All right. It's in there. Probably can't see much, so let me shed a little light on the subject. There it is. Don't forget to plug it in. Heard the click. It's all in. Nice and tight. Let's put the tire back on and see if I did a good job. Clean some of the tools. All torqued. Right? Right. All right. Let's go inside the vehicle and see if we cleared those two lights on the dash. Okay, welcome to the other side of the vehicle, the driver's side. When I did the right side, it didn't clear, so I figured I might as well do this side now too for the wheel sensor. So let's get the tire off, jack it up, and replace that sensor also on this side. Now this. Unplugged. See that? That was easy. Now I'm going to spray some WD just in case. Just to loosen that up. All right, now I think it's a T25. There's the screw. Now let's work on the getting the sensor on. It's like that loose tooth that you wanted to take out. It's not coming out. And it comes out, the loose tooth. Hooray. All right, we got it out in one piece. That's a good sign. I'll clean it all up, this area behind, and install a new one. And hopefully that'll take care of the light that's on the dash. Well, that was a waste of money to replace both, and it didn't work. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not going to stick a whole ton of money into this. It's got 167,000 on it. I replaced both sides of the wheel ABS sensors, and it's still showing traction control and ABS. So $50. I mean, I could have been a lot worse, but I'm not gonna deal with this anymore. She wants to trade it in anyway, so we thought maybe we could get the idiot lights off, and then they wouldn't say much about it on the trade-in, but we're gonna maybe have to live with it. So, all right, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Take care. Bye.